Welcome back to cloud computing, and today we'll be learning about platform as a service or PaaS. So stay till the end of the video. Everybody out there, welcome to the channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to turn on the notification so that you don't miss any future videos. So let's hop into it. So platform as a service offers the runtime environment for applications. So it offers runtime environment. So it also offers development and deployment tools that required to develop applications on the cloud. So PaaS has a feature of point and click tools that enables non-developers to create web applications. So you must have seen there are some websites that allow us to drag and drop and make some cool apps or something like that. So this is how a PaaS is working behind the scene. So that is platform as a service. So it is a computer platform that provides the facility to use the web applications quickly with ease without buying and maintaining web development. So you don't need to like have the in-depth knowledge of web, so you can work with it. So the developer for you is working and developing and making some things that is the PaaS. Okay, so he's making all of these features available, and the end user or the business users or us, so we are using it. So this is the diagram how it looks. So app engine of Google, force.com, Windows, Azure, all these are examples of PaaS. So PaaS also provides web services that I already said, and it also allows us to connect applications outside the platform also. And it is also easy to integrate PaaS with other applications even on the same platform or outside other platforms. Now we'll see the advantages. So scalability is very nice. So the users ranges from hundreds to thousands. Okay. Pre-built business plan. So a lot of predefined templates of business functionality are already available for the users to directly use and start your project. And the low cost is very attractive. So development by PaaS requires a computer and a good internet connection, nothing else. Hence the investment is less. So the low cost is also low. And instant community, so you'll be having a lot of like help and support staff available for you. So that is instant community, and simple and easy to use. As I already said, non-developers can also use them. So now we'll see some disadvantages of PaaS. So the vendor migration, so migration from one PaaS vendor's application to another will cause some kind of problem. So there's some platform problem also. So the data privacy is also a thing. So because the boundary is not fixed by the company or the organization, so it can hamper your data or your privacy. So mix up complexity. Some of the applications developed may be local while others are from cloud. So there's kind of like different levels. So we are referring something from local device and you are using cloud. So that may increase the complexity. So this is all about platform as a service, PaaS. And if you did like the video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching it.